everyone! Welcome back to Cebu Elegant Properties YouTube channel. My name is Christine and I am your trusted Cebuana licensed real estate broker. But before we start, please do the honor of hitting the like, subscribe, and the notification bell button. And please do not forget to share it to your friends, family, loved ones, and your neighbors who are looking for a property here in the Queen City of the South. So today we are here in the neighborhood, very peaceful neighborhood in TALAMBAN, Cebu City. And this property that we're gonna feature for today is a modern Asian two-story house. It's inside a gated subdivision with a 24-hour security. And we have over there a clubhouse with a swimming pool and a recreation center for you and your family. So without much further ado, please join me and do me the favor of presenting to you this beautiful two-story house. Right to the main entrance, we can see this gate which leads to the carport and another gate for us. So tara, ubani ko ninyo kaya kung ipakita nyo ang balay. So here we have the front yard, and on my left side there is an access going to the backyard. It's actually a side yard and a back garden, but later we'll show it to you. So this property has a land area of 374 square meters and a floor area of 361 square meters, and this can be yours for only 35 million pesos. So right now I'm here in the carport, and we have here the carport can actually fit two big cars, and if you have a sedan car, you can just park here horizontally. So now let's go inside the main house. Welcome to your beautiful home. This door is made of solid hardwood, and the foyer here leads to, on my right, an extra room in the ground floor which we unfortunately cannot let you see for privacy purposes. Anyway, we have here the extra toilet and bathroom for the room here on the ground floor. All you have to do is just put a glass enclosure for the shower area. Anyway, the foyer here leads to the open concept living area. This is our spacious living area, and as you can see, we have glass doors, sliding door, which allows us to appreciate our side garden. From here, we can see the beauty of the city and the mountain on that side. This living area is, our living area has a high ceiling, approximately around 25 feet. So from the living area, we have our dining area, which can fit an 8-seater dining table. And from there, we have a wrap-around sliding door which goes straight to the lanai. It's very nice if you're gonna put some extra chairs and tables here in the lanai area so that you can chill with your family and bond together with them. And on the other side is our service area. It's where we're gonna do the laundry, hang our clothes, and do the dirty stuff. We have an extra door which leads to the main kitchen, but let's go back using this door. Okay? So from there, let's go straight to the main kitchen. Guys, I'm very mesmerized by the kitchen and how it is presented very well because it's made of modular cabinets, you can see, and we have built-in oven here. And we have some modular cabinets on this side. It's actually soft closed. Just leave it there. And the fridge that you have seen here is already included in the sale. Most of the things, if you like to avail, is already included in the sale. They'll just get some personal things which the moment they vacate the house. Anyway, we have here breakfast nook, which is if you're in a hurry, especially in the morning, you don't have to go to the dining area. Just have your food here. And from here, we go straight to the auxiliary kitchen. So our auxiliary kitchen is half the size of our main kitchen, and it's actually neat and beautifully decorated. This is where we do most of the cooking and the preparations of the food. And from here, we have our maid's quarter, which has its own toilet and bath, but somebody's using it right now, so we cannot show it to you. Anyway, if you can see that there's a door here, an extra door, this is for the stock room. And this cabinet here, this is what we call the laundry area. This is for the washing machine, and the other one is for the dryer. So from here, we have another door. In case you guys would love to have a privacy, especially at nighttime, you just have to lock the other door which leads to the main house, because the maid from here can go outside the house using this door here, which is another service area. So we have a lot of service area in this house. So this is the service area which leads to the garage. So if you have some dirty stuff with you like fish, and you don't want to pass through the main door, you can just pass through here. Pass through the service area and then bring the dirty stuff in the auxiliary kitchen. So let's go back to the main house. This also serves as the pantry. I forgot the term. That's the pantry over there. Now, let's head up to the second floor where the bedrooms are located. So right to this landing area, we notice that the stairs leading to the second floor is made of hardwood. It's actually tugas. It's very mahal, guys. So it's rare. So this modern Asian house has a touch of some tropical design. So from here, we can notice that it's really, we can notice the high ceiling. It's about like 15 feet deep. From floor to ceiling, it's around 15 feet. And from here, we can see who's visiting us. We can see our guest who's visiting our house. I forgot to mention that the whole ground floor already has air conditioner. You can see from here, it already has air conditioner. So in case there are a lot of people who are visiting to your house, you can turn it on. Anyway, here in the second floor, we have 3 huge rooms. First room we're gonna show you is the guest room. So this is the guest room area. This is the guest room which can fit at least queen-size bed, but at the moment they are using a double-sized bed. It's very spacious and it has an ensuite toilet and bathroom. The ensuite toilet and bathroom is already enclosed with a glass enclosure. And I forgot to mention to you that the water closet that they're using is made of high-end materials. So this guest room is already has its air conditioner and big sliding windows, which allows, if you're gonna open it, allows the natural air and light to go inside the house. Now let's go to the second room. Come here. So this is the second room of the house. It's for the kid, actually. As you may notice that most of the rooms, the door of the rooms are made of hardwood. So from here, we have our closet, built-in closet, and it's already air-conditioned too. And it has an ensuite toilet and bathroom, the same with the other bedroom. It's like a hotel-type bathroom. Notice the drop ceiling, it's very uniquely designed. Then, let's head to the master bedroom. Guys, on this area, this serves as a family area. It's very nice, especially at nighttime. Before you go to sleep, you can have your small chit-chats with your family. So this space here, this wall is intended for a television. It already has a provision for the television here, but at the moment they don't put any television. And there is a stockroom here on the second floor. It's for the linen. That's for the linen and we can't open it yet because we can't open it yet. Anyway, now let's head to the master bedroom. If you have noticed that the other two bedrooms is already huge, this is twice as huge as the other bedrooms. So come and join me. It's very huge, guys, that it can fit a California king-size bed. Right now, they're just using an ordinary king-size bed. So from here, we have our walk-in closet. The walk-in closet, the size of the walk-in closet is the same size as the other rooms. Oh my God, it's very huge. So for ladies and women who love to collect some clothes, then this is for you guys. I bet this is for the lady and only one closet for the man, for the gentleman. Anyway, please do the honor of featuring this. So this is our ensuite toilet and bathroom, and it's the same size also with the other rooms. It's very huge, guys. It's very elegant. So this is our toilet, and this is our bathroom area. Oh, diba? Very huge. And we have our his and hers sink. The mirror, guys, ito talaga yung nagdala. And we have some closet on top of the mirror. And we have here our vanity area for ladies who love to do some makeup. So to wrap up everything, guys, this house has a land area of 374 square meters and a floor area of 361 square meters. And the design of this house is modern Asian tropical house. It's two-story, and we have high ceiling from the ground floor to the second floor. And our carport can fit at up to 2 cars. If you have an extra car, you can just park it horizontally. Anyway, we have 3 rooms, 3 huge rooms on the second floor with ensuite toilet and bathroom. And we have also another room on the ground floor which serves as a elderly room if you have elderly persons who are living with you, who will be living with you in this house. And it has its own toilet and bathroom. Then we have a separate room for the maid's quarter with its own toilet and bathroom. For this house, we got 2 kitchens. One is for the main kitchen and the other one is the auxiliary kitchen. And we also have 2 service areas. So there you go. If you love to book a site tour with us, please do call us at 0917-7999-429. You can actually reach us through that number in Viber or WhatsApp. And you can also email us at cebuelegantproperties@gmail.com. My name is Christine, and once again, I am your trusted Cebuana licensed real estate broker. Thank you so much. Stay safe and God bless.